Good morning, dear friends. I'm back today with a simple rasam recipe for you. We are going to make healthy beetroot rasam. Now, rasam can be made with many varieties, different variations. Usually, it's made as an accompaniment with South Indian thali meals. But for a light meal, you can just enjoy rasam and plain rice also. If you wish, you can make a little bit of poriyal on the side and try appalams, and it is bliss. I simply love rasam and rice. It's so light and comforting. So let's get started and make beetroot rasam today. And you can check out my other rasam varieties also that I've posted earlier. You can find the links in the description box and I button. Beetroot rasam. You can enjoy it by itself with plain rice, or you can even make a complete South Indian meal along with other dishes like andhra dal, beans poriyal, plain boiled rice, and fried appalams to go along with it. All the recipe links are shared in the description box. You can check them out as well. And here we start making the rasam. First, in a large mixing bowl, take 2 tablespoons of boiled tuar dal and 1 tablespoon of boiled and pureed beetroot. You can add more if you like, but I don't like my rasam to be too red in color. 3/4 cup of tamarind water. If you are adding thick tamarind paste or extract, then add less, maybe 1 tablespoon. 1 cup of water or as needed. Now we'll first mix all these together and lightly blend them with a hand blender. This will give a nice and smooth texture. Now in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. I am using sesame seed oil. You may use any oil that you have. 1 tablespoon. Once it's hot, add the tempering ingredients. Cumin seeds, mustard seeds, half teaspoon each, and 2 red chillies broken into pieces. Reduce the flame and let them crackle. Now add 2 or 3 pinches of Asafoetida or hing. Some curry leaves. Let them all crackle. Now add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. On low flame, just keep stirring till the garlic changes color. At this stage, stir in the blended mixture. Now increase the flame and bring it to a boil. Keep stirring with the ladle. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, give them a mix. Now rasam powder. This is homemade rasam powder. You can check out the recipe link. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of it. Homemade rasam powder always is very flavorful. And half teaspoon of Jaggery powder. This balances the flavors. Give it a nice mix and bring it to a boil. Now reduce the flame and let it simmer. Now check the taste and add if anything is required. Salt, jaggery powder, spice level, everything can be adjusted to your liking. If you want more chili powder, you can add that also. And let it keep simmering until you get the desired consistency. Finally, add some coriander leaves. Delicious. I love a simple meal of rasam and rice. There are so many varieties of rasams that you can make. I've shared quite a few already. You can check them out as well. So friends, do give this rasam a try. Beetroot rasam is also very healthy. As we all know, beetroot has a lot of nutritional properties. Enjoy it by itself with rice or make a complete South Indian meal sometimes. This is Andhra dal, beetroot rasam, plain rice, appalams. You can find the links in the description box. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well. Happy cooking and stay tuned for the next recipe.